If you're at or near retirement age, or you still got a long way to go, you're still going to want to know about the Secure Act 2.0. Hi, I'm attorney Steve Reilly, and today I want to talk to you about the effect of what's called the Secure Act 2.0 that affects those of us who are at or near retirement age, or it also affects those of us who still have a long way to go. So I'm first going to talk about how it affects those that are at or near retirement age. And all right, well, first of all, the age to take required minimum distributions, or as they're called, RMDs, for IRAs and 401ks accounts, that increases in 2023 to age 73, up from age 72. And it's on its way up. It's going to go up to age 75 in the year 2033. So in other words, if you've got an IRA or 401k, you can delay taking your minimum distributions now to age 73, and then sometime in the year 2033, you can then take it at age 75. So what that means is that if you're turning 72 in 2023, you can now take your first requirement minimum distribution by December 31st, 2024, because now you won't turn 73 until the following year, and then you have all the way to December 31st of 2024 to actually take your first required minimum distribution. And you can delay it further than that. You can actually delay it to April 1st of 2025. But if you do that, you're going to end up having to take two required minimum distributions in 1 year, because you'll take the first one in April 1st of 2025, and then you'll have to take another one in December of that year. So what does all this mean? It means, first of all, that you get another year where you can say, I'm not going to take anything out. I'm going to let the account grow tax-free, and then I'm stuck taking my required minimum distributions that the law requires you to take. No longer at 72, but now at 73. And in 2033, you get to wait till you're 75 before you take a required minimum distribution. Well, also, what Congress decided to do was give us a break from these penalties. I mean, what happens in an IRA or a 401k is if you don't take the requirement minimum distribution, there's a huge penalty. This actually was 50% of the amount of the requirement minimum distribution that you were supposed to take, but you didn't. Starting this year, in 2023, you can now it means that the penalty is reduced to 25% of the requirement minimum distribution, down from that onerous 50%. You may even be able to get by that penalty and reduce it down to 10% if the account owner withdraws the correct requirement minimum distribution that was supposed to have been taken and files a timely corrected tax return. So there's a way of actually reducing the 25 all the way down to 10% of what you failed to take out that you should have. Another thing that's changing is for those of us that are concerned about what are called catch-up contributions, they're also going up. Starting in 2025, individuals 60 through 63 will be able to make catch-up contributions up to $10,000 each year in your workplace plan. And that will be indexed for inflation as well. So it's going to be going up more than $10,000 each year. That's for 401ks and IRAs, as well as government plans. They're going to be allowing people to take more of these catch-up amounts. The catch-up amount for people over 50 and older in 2023 is currently $7,500 that you're allowed to make. But, and there's always a but in these Congress things, if you make more than $145,000 in the prior calendar year, all your catch-up contributions need to be made to a Roth account. So you get to make some, but it has to be to a Roth account if you make more than $145,000 a year. If you make less than $145,000, you're exempt from this Roth requirement. IRAs currently have a $1,000 catch-up contribution limit for people 50 and older. next year in 2024, that limit will be indexed for inflation as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, and you realize now that Secure Act 2.0 affects us all, or a lot of us anyway, consider hitting that subscribe button and also giving us a little bit of a thumbs up so I can continue to keep these videos coming to you. It's my goal that a educated client is a better client. Well, thank you for watching and have a great day.